everybody, Stacy Holman here. I hope you're having a great day, great weekend so far. I hope you're staying warm because I know here in Michigan it's a little chilly. But anyway, I have a really fun and exciting video. It's a unboxing. If you haven't seen my previous video, I encourage you to do so. It's a little bit about me and my goals and kind of an opportunity that I snatched up. So now for the unboxing. I'm really excited about this. So, okay. Oops. All right. Here's the box. Okay, I'm so excited. Oh, don't mind my wrinkly shirt. Yeah. All right. So, when I became, oh, that's kind of loud, I'm sorry, speaker's right there, but when I signed up, I purchased the premium starter kit. This is very, okay, well, I'll put it on the floor. Alright, so I purchased the premium starter kit, which comes with a lot of stuff, and to start, this is really cool. All right, so if you purchase the premium starter kit, it comes with, of course, a starter kit, and you choose your diffuser that you want, but it also comes with booklets on what the products are about and how to use the products, and like this one here, Clean Living. Oh, I don't know if you can see that. I really don't like the lighting. I don't have high, technology, high productive system. This is just my tablet in my craft room. So just me and my tablet. But anyway, Clean Living, and this book kind of goes through the home products we have. And if you have any questions, DM me. If you're interested in knowing more, learning more about the products, then feel free to DM me, and I'll send you a link. I'll give you a little bit about the information. Give you a little bit of information, answer any questions you have, and I'll send you a link that you can click on to go through the products and check it out. See what you want to try. Just try them. Even if you spend, 10, 20 bucks, just try them. I really encourage you to try these products. But anyway, we have a product called Thieves. Well, again, the lighting, I'm sorry about that. But anyway, Thieves, and these home cleaning products are they're not toxic at all. You can go ahead and read up on it, and I can also send you a link if you want to read up on these products, but it's safe for family, for little ones, for pets. I strongly encourage you to read up on them. It also says, it also explains our makeup and skincare products, personal care, laundry care. Again, these are all pure products to remove toxics from your home, to improve your health, your family's health, your pet's health. Yeah. There are pet products as well. So, and I have fur babies, and they are my babies. So, but anyway, this tells you a little bit about the cleaning supplies we have, and a little bit about the oils we have, and we do have children products for kids. So this is really good magazine. And then this is a product guide, 2021 product guide of all the oils we have, all of the oils we offer, roll-ons, the different roll-ons we have. Prices are also in here, sizes. So this is really cool, and it goes through what the oils are good for, because some oils are for calming and soothing. Some give you energy. Amazing products. Amazing products. Again, they're pure, not tested on animals, which is huge for me. So much fun. And there's also some accessories in here. Again, it goes through the Thieves products, how much, and amazing. Okay, amazing. And then, of course, my order sheet. All right. Oh, sorry about that. So, okay. So I got the Desert Mist Essential Oil Ultrasonic Diffuser. Hold on. I haven't opened any of these yet. So you're seeing it here first. Okay. I have to go on my chair. There's a lot going on. All right. So just pulls it out. Okay. And then this here. Oops, almost fell off my chair. All right. Got our little plug here. Oh. Got our plug. It's a plug. Okay. So excited. You guys, this is so much fun. So exciting. And I know that I'm making my health better. I'm improving my health, my family's health. All right, so, gosh, I'm being really loud. But anyway, okay. So, this is the diffuser I got. So cute. Oh, I'm so sorry about the light. So sorry. Okay, kind of see that. Built up. You lift it up, and then your oils. Ooh, I'm loving this. And then there's it lights up, and there's also different levels on here. I'll demonstrate. That'll be in another video. I'm just doing an unboxing right now, but I'll demonstrate how. And my cat's in there. I'll demonstrate how all this works, and ooh, I'm so excited. Okay. Excuse me, Grayson. Okay, one of my cats love boxes, so as soon as I open one up, he's in there. He doesn't care what's in the box, as long as he is. Okay. Ooh, so pretty. Look at, oh, so pretty. Pretty. Okay, have to unwrap it. Again, I have not done any of this. I was waiting to show you all the fun stuff. All right. So exciting. All right. Okay, pretty box, okay. Oh, it comes with a cute little ribbon. Look at that. On the side. I don't know why. But anyway. All right. Oh my gosh, so excited. All right, so this is so cute. All right, so when I open it up, this is in here. It's in the pocket. Okay, so this is just what I received in my kit at a glance. That's what it says here. Essential oils at a glance. And it says, add 1 drop of peppermint vitality to a glass of water and enjoy the fresh minty taste daily. Yeah, you can put this in your water. Hello. All right, so that is so cool. And then, yeah, that's the vitality. And then it does say a little bit about what it can be used for. So that's exciting. Yes. All right, if there's any guide, I get really excited, you know, because you want to learn about your products. You want to learn more and more. All right, so cute. All right, so this just comes right out with a little ribbon. It's heavy. So cute. Okay, and then here's another one. Remove that. And on the bottom, what? Okay, so I have sample packets of the Thieves hand sanitizer. Okay, so the Thieves products are not only for cleaning your home safely, but they also have hand sanitizer. So you can use that. And you know, these days hand sanitizer is always good, but and then Thieves spray. So this is essential oil infused Thieves spray. Spray on any surface in your home or office. Love it. And actually, I know people who use the Thieves products to clean their home, and they say that they're not affected by it with their allergies. It's easy. It doesn't flare up their asthma. I don't know. I don't have asthma, but so it doesn't, doesn't flare, I guess, flare up their asthma. So that is really, really cool. Ooh, stress away. Yes, we all need that, don't we? Oh, yes, we do. Okay, so I'm really excited about that. Ooh, peace and calming. Yes, these are the oils. These are oils. Oh my gosh. Okay. And then this is a drink. I get 2 of them, 2 samples. This is a drink. Which reminds me, there's going to be oh my gosh, I lost my train of thought. Oh, isn't it lovely? Okay, especially while I'm recording. But there's going to be a competition, December, January, so there will be another video on that. So stay tuned, but so much fun stuff. So anyway, and I'm going to take pictures of all my fun stuff, fun and exciting stuff. And, ooh, I just wanted to do my unboxing with you guys and share this fun stuff with you because I know I'm excited and I know you will be excited. You will improve your health. You improve your family's health. Safe for pets, safe for children. It's life-changing, life-changing. So please, if you have any questions, DM me. And I will be more than happy to help you out. So stay tuned for pictures and some more fun and exciting videos from me. So I love you all, and I hope this was inspiring to you because I know it was to me, and I hope this was fun and kind of got you excited because it's so much fun. So much fun. All right. I love you all. Mwah. Have a great night.